Hi guys, it's me, Keelia. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. It's been way too long, y'all. I know. It has been about 4 or 5 months since my last upload. And yeah, my bad, y'all. But thank you so much for sticking by and staying subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much to the new subscribers that have joined in. I'm so glad that you saw something in this channel, in the content that, prompted you to subscribe. I thank you so much for your support. But yes, it has been a minute. Where have I been? I've been here, been around. You've probably seen me leave comments on your videos or someone else's videos. So I've still been around. I just haven't uploaded. Being wife, mom first, and I have my business, so I've had several projects along the way. I have other things online that I've been doing that's kind of been keeping me busy, and just life. And I just haven't sat down and I guess really scheduled and carved out a time to take care of my channel, to upload content for you all. So yeah, it's been a while, but I'm trying to get back in the groove of things. For a while there, I just didn't know what to upload. One of the main things that I want to make sure that I do is bring you good content that I know that you're going to enjoy. I just don't want to upload videos just for the sake of, uploading videos. I do know that a lot of you joined the channel when I was doing the DIYs. A lot of you came on when I was doing the DIY series, and I do want to do more of those. However, I'm going to have to really be strategic with the DIYs because I don't want to end up with a lot of little DIY projects around my home that I'm not going to use. It's going to end up thrown away. So whatever I do, I want to make sure that it's going to be something that's going to stick around in my home for a while. Because to be honest, out of all of those DIYs that I did, I know I have one. I have one, and that one is the one with the marble, the faux marble look that I did with the bowl. If you haven't seen that, I'll link that. But that's probably the only one that I actually still have. So only one I can remember anyway. So yeah, so whatever I do as far as a DIY, it's going to have to be something that I'm really going to use. And so I was just trying to think, okay, I'm not decorating my home every day. So what else could I do? Sorry, y'all, I'm getting a call. So what else could I do for this channel? So yeah, I've been kind of stuck in a rut trying to figure out what can I bring to you all, what you guys want to see. I thought about doing a little vlogging, especially like when I'm out and about, when I'm shopping, for me, for my home, or for a client, or if I'm doing an event, if I could record that. Let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in. So yeah, I just kind of been stuck, like what to bring to you guys as far as like a daily vlog. I don't know. I don't know. My days are so like a little all over the place. The last thing I'll probably be thinking about doing is a vlog. But I mean, I may be able to stick those in, every now and then. So you guys let me know. But that's where I've been, guys. Just staying busy. I've also started an online business. It's probably been almost a year now. That has to do with Christian apparel, t-shirts and things like that. But I'll bring all that to you later. I actually have some things I'm working on for my YouTube channel for those of you that love to DIY and, so I have that going. And like I said, just life. But I've been around and I'm looking forward to bringing you more videos. What I have coming down the pipe. Well, it's fall, officially fall. I'm in my dining room now and it's almost done. I still have some little tweaks to add to it just to bring it all out. So I will be bringing you that. I have already recorded one video I just need to edit that as well. And just, I have a few things. And then of course, you know, Christmas, I can't wait. I only did a little decorating in my home, mainly in my dining room, have a little bit like in my living room, not a lot. I don't even have pillows on my sofa. I didn't even buy new pillows for fall. Yeah, I'm just waiting for Christmas. So, so I will share like those little areas that I did in my home with you in a video. But of course, you know, when Christmas comes around, yeah, you'll be seeing a lot more of me, I promise. So that's what I've been doing, guys. That's where I've been. So I just want to make sure that I came. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but today I say, you know what, while I have a moment, the house is quiet, let me sit down, pull this camera out and record. Just to let you guys know I'm still here and I've missed you guys. And if you haven't connected with me on Facebook or Instagram, check the information down below and you can connect with me there. I'm trying to be a little bit more active on my social media. That's something else that I'm trying to do. I mean, everything, the social media, my YouTube channel, So I'm trying to get better. I just started Instagram not long ago, so I'm trying to get, you know, in the routine with that, just to be able to connect and stay in touch with you guys. So that's where I've been. That's what I've been doing. Been missing you guys, connecting and chit-chatting with most of you. So again, thank you so much for sticking around and supporting this channel. And again, to all of my new subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And like I said, I know a lot of you came on when I was doing the DIYs, and some of you just found the channel through those videos. So I still want to bring that content to you. It just won't be as much. And like I said, whatever I do, it's going to have to be something that's going to be useful in my home. You know, and I may throw in a couple of ideas, something that you can use as well. But I do want to bring more of those, and let me know if you guys are interested in seeing like a vlog, like while I'm out and about shopping or something. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not decorating in my home every day. So, you know, my channel is based around home decor. So I want to make sure it stays like in that vein. You guys just let me know what you would like to see. I do want to bring you guys along whenever I have a project with, you know, a decorating project or an event. I do want to bring that to you as well. And I also may start doing maybe some event DIYs to you. Maybe some easy DIYs you can use like in a wedding or a party or something like that. So I might do that. But again, guys, so I want to hold you up. I just want to let you know that I'm still here and I've missed chit-chatting with you guys, but I thank you so much for your support. So as always, guys, keep watching, stay tuned. I'll be back prayerfully very, very soon with more videos. And again, thank you so much. I've missed you guys and I'm glad to be back. All right, guys, I'll see you again probably in the next week or two. Maybe next week or two. I'm going to really try to push the next one out this week. Let me try. That's the goal anyway. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.